Hey, don't scroll. This video is not for everyone. Are you a Nigerian living in Diaspora trying to own your home in Nigeria but you couldn't? Or you're a Nigerian living in Nigeria but have fears of investing in Nigeria? By the end of this video, you will know how to buy verified properties anywhere in Nigeria from everywhere you are, be it lands, apartments, shortlets, bungalows, even farmlands, without flying in and without being bought. It's your girl, Dr. Sid. You know what we do? Always giving the best real estate investment opportunity in the market. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, do well, subscribe, like, and also comment on this video so you'll be able to see more of this kind of videos that helps you make informed decision in your real estate journey. So guys, sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end. Let's go. I've closed deals with clients in the UK, the USA, Canada, Spain, France, even in Nigeria, Lagos State, who didn't see the property or even landed in Nigeria during this process. I know your fears. You can't see the property and you can't verify it. Distance was never a barrier. Having the right person help you verify the right property is what that is missing. Now, the truth is that I understand everything. I understand the fears, right? Because last year I had a client from the UK who wanted to invest in one of our property in Ibejuleki corridor. He loved the property, he loved everything about the property, the environment. All he wanted was to see the property. Now he's not in the country, but he has a family member who is in Lagos. He booked inspection, and what we did was we also helped him with virtual inspection, road tours, and every other thing that we need to make sure that he had a trust in us and also in the property. The truth is that before we inspected the property with the family member, he made payments. Then seeing the property was a conviction that that is the right property. So having the right person to help you through the process, including documentation and due diligence, is what that is missing in your investment journey. So we are here to help you through this journey in case you need to invest in any property right here in Nigeria. Because we know that a lot of investors has lose millions of naira trying to invest in Nigeria without having the right consultant in place and not seeing and verify the property. So the scares, the fears are still there, but we are here to help you out. So let me take you through the process step by step on how to invest in a verified property right here in Nigeria. Here is the process and the steps to guide you. Number one is consultation and property match. Now, what we do here is that when you contact us, we have a call with you, also video call if you don't mind, and there we ask you questions on the kind of property you want to invest in, your timeline, the budget, the purpose for your investment, because what you need is the right vehicle to help you, achieve your goal. Now, here we tend to know the purpose for the property. Are you investing in land banking, which is for appreciation? Are you investing in a house, probably a home, which you need a lovely home and a friendly family environment? Or are you investing in commercial plots which you need for your business? Are you investing in cash flow which you need shortlets or rental apartments? Or are you investing in farmlands which you need for agricultural purposes that generate high return on your investment, either the palm trees or the cocoa or any other cash crops. So we help you with the right vehicle that fits your goal, which is the right property. Now you can't solve this through the noise. This property which will help you generate high return on investments. Step 2 is virtual inspection, where we walk you through live video of the property, or we can send you a full walkthrough footage of the property. Now we also have a tour guide that helps you see the access road to the property, be it land, house. Here you see units, the early stage of construction, the update, monthly updates, everything that a visitor needs to see on a property. Will take you through the process and make sure that nothing is hidden. So you see the property you want to buy, we take you through inspection, the environment, the finished unit, if it's house, the land, we take you through the landmarks, through the surroundings, the access road, the development, the update, everything that you need to see and know about the property that you are interested in. With our 24 hours in service inquiry, we also make sure we answer all your questions and make sure that you understand everything about the property and you are good to go. You are convinced. Then we move to the next step, which is verification before payment. This is where due diligence has been done, the title and the documentation have been confirmed. We run registry search. Also, we make sure that everything about the property, land registry, the developers, past record, their integrity, past projects, everything about documentation and due diligence are done in this process before making any payment. The search results will also be sent across and you have opportunity to also ask questions and be sure your lawyer is also involved to make sure that this property are properly verified, is clean and is genuine, good to go before any payment is being made. Also make sure that the full cost of the property are being disclosed to you, which is the actual price of the property, the statutory fees, which include the survey, the deed, and documentation, the developmental levy. You know, you are aware of the cost before making any commitment into the company's account. No hidden charges. Make sure also that you are aware if there is service charge in the estate or not, and also the allocation period, so that you have full information about the project. For properties that has payment plan options, make sure you are aware of the payment plan, the amount to be paid every month before proceeding. Now, the last but not the least step is documentation and delivery. This is where every payment or the first payment you make on your property, be it the initial deposit, you will receive your receipt, which comes in as invoice or statement of account that shows your payment details of the property. You also receive contract of sale. Now, contract of sale shows that there is an ongoing transaction between you and the company, which is the developers of that particular property. Now, as you proceed in payment options, probably you choose a payment plan. So when you are done with your full payment, you'll be given a deed of assignment, and this is being given on the day of allocation. So your deed of assignment is a document that shows that you are the rightful owner of that said property and you don't owe the company any dime. Now, this document also shows the root history of that property that you just purchased. All right, so you have every information about the property right inside here in the deed of assignment. With this, you can go ahead to register that property with the land registry of the said location. All right. Now you also get your letter of allocation, right, which shows that you own a particular slot in that estate, the size of the land that you acquire, and again the plot of your, that means your address, that's the plot and the block. Every detail about your size, about your units will be in this letter of allocation. Then you also get a registered survey. Make sure that the registered survey has a signature of the surveyor. This shows you the size of the property you just acquire. Every coordinate you need to do your search going forward is in this document. The size, the beacons, your name, everything, the owner's name and everything, the village or the location, the exact location of the property is also in this document. All right, so these are the documents you will get once you make a complete payment, be it outright payment or payment plan options. So after this document, your allocations will be done for you, where you are shown your actual land with beacons with your name on them. And again, you can also, for properties that has generating income like the agro, and again for cash flow, which is the shortlets, then there will be a written agreement with the company which comes as an MOU. So all these are being sorted out during this period. All right, so this is how to get a verified property. Now, you see, everything I've said, this is the most important. How to protect yourself from abroad or anywhere you are in Nigeria. The first thing is to run a check on the realtor, including myself, right? And also on the company. Now, number one way of verifying your realtor or consultant is by checking if the person has a registered business. Is it licensed? Secondly is past client record. Thirdly is there a face to the business? Is there track record? And is there reviews about what the person has done in the past? Number two is verifying the property. You run your own due check on the title, the documentation. Make sure that you have your own lawyer and you run a search with the registry. Make sure you have your physical inspection. You can send a representative to help you do your inspection if you are not available for inspection. Make sure that the property is not just only one person that is marketing it, it's being marketed by other realtors and consultants. This protects you from buying a wrong property. In documentation for the property, there is always an FAQ. Make sure that you go through the FAQ to know the terms and conditions before investing in that property. Make sure that your lawyer understands all the clauses that is attached to that property. If it's okay with you, you can go ahead and make your payments. Number three, I always say, never pay into a personal account. Always pay into a corporate bank account of the company so that it can be verified and there will be a trace that there is a transaction going on with you and the company. Now, number four is that do not allow anyone to put you in the pressure of buying any property, either by promo is ending or the price is going up. Never be in a rush to secure any investment. I understand the fear of missing out, but always make sure that you verify every property before you invest. You can do that within period of time, whether a day or 2 days. I remember a client wanted to buy a property in a bungalow, and he got the property from someone, and because he also my client, she's not in the country, and I was asked to go and do a due diligence on her behalf on that property. So I went there and I carried out a personal research on that property, and I gave her the results. It was okay. So she now acquired the property. So this is what you need to do. Do your due diligence, carry your personal inspection, and again verify the rector, the property, and also the developer. Alright? If you are in abroad and you've been waiting for years, I know your wait was never about the money. It was about trust, and trust is built with process, not promise. So here is your next step. Send me a message, or you can have a WhatsApp call, and also the number is on your screen. You can call the number on your screen. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of videos on your screen. And tell me 2 things: what country you are in, and what is your budget. We will book a free video consultation at a time that works for your time zone, and I'll show you what is possible for your goal. You know what we do? Always give you the best real estate investment opportunity in the market. Whether it is land, apartments, farmland, agro plantation, shortlet apartments, duplex bungalow, any of your choice, we will give you everything you need and make the process very seamless. And this comes with no pressure, no obligation. And if you have found any property from over there, you can as well as let us know. Before you make any payment, you can send it to me, and I'll run a check on that property to help you make sure you secure the right and the genuine property. And that is what the person that is on ground is meant for, and we are here to help you make informed decision before making any payments for any property or real estate investment. So guys, till I see you in our DMs, the number is on your screen to call, and again, you can send us a WhatsApp message. We are 24/7 available to receive your call and your messages. Thank you. This is your girl, Dr. Sid. Is a bye.